What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on CMG Stock, Chipotle Mexican Grill.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And on today's video, guys, I will show you the most recent price action of Chipotle. I will show you what crucial levels did it hit and what type of price action we might have in the upcoming days and weeks. On top of that, I will show you the reason, fundamental reason of this decline, and I will show you what does this company have from the fundamental standpoint. And before we dive deep into all of these, guys, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, you can accept my pretty much risk-free offer with the 100% money-back guarantee. And the only thing that you need to do is just to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Here are just a few of my trade results from the first half of October. But don't wait, this offer is available for a limited time only. Once the spots are filled, enrollment will close. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market. Let's begin with some details from the price action. This asset grabs my attention because it lost during the last trading session 18% of its value because of its most recent earnings report. And you can see that despite the fact that they beat on expectations on earnings, they missed it on revenue. And what is more importantly, guys, they have relatively poor guidance for the upcoming quarter. Let me show you some fundamental news. First of all, I want to show you the sentiment that is surrounding CMG stock, and to do so, just type in Google search bar as CMG stock and switch to new stuff folder. And here is the set of news that might be interesting to read and to understand where this company is from the fundamental standpoint. And let me show you just one article. It was published just yesterday and it's titled "Chipotle stock craters as Wall Street grows concerned after company cuts forecast." And here are the key points. Chipotle's stock tumbled after the company cut its full-year forecast for same-store sales. At least 5 Wall Street analysts have lowered their price targets for shares of the chain after it reported third-quarter earnings. And yes, guys, when the company reports some poor guidance, in this case, this stock might go drastically to the downside. And it happened to CMG stock. At the same time, guys, let's take a look at its fundamentals. First of all, I want to pay attention to the forecast from analysts. And among 34 analysts, we have the average price target that is set at roughly $46.15, which is about 41.86% of upside potential. And this forecast is for the next 12 months. Even the lower price target for this stock is $34, which is still about 5% of upside potential in the upcoming 12 months period. On top of that, guys, let's take a look at its fundamentals. In general, this company has a substantial revenue of $3 billion. Yes, it has a decline in net income. You can see that they have 1.36% decline in Q3 of this year, but they still printed about $382.1 million. On top of that, one of the most important parts is this string. It is diluted shares outstanding. You can see that from last year alone, they bought back a substantial number of their shares. This means, well, it is quite a safe company based on its income statement, and on top of that, you can see that they easily cover all their liabilities with their assets, and it is also very good sign. On top of that, the cash flow, free cash flow, is still more than $400 million on a quarterly basis, and on an annual basis, they print $1.51 billion of free cash flow. Definitely, it is a very, very good number, and it is very difficult to fake this number. That is why it is one of the key parameter for the analysis, and that is why, guys, in general, Chipotle is still quite interesting company. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, before we start the technical analysis, we have to zoom out and we have to see where we are on a bigger scale. And we clearly see several waves to the upside, and I have to admit that if I turn on logarithmic scale, you can see that the lowest point is right here. And because of this lowest point, we have a little bit different structure. We have this movement from this bottom to this top as our first wave. This is the second, this is the third, this is the contender to be the fourth wave, and another leg to the upside to complete the fifth wave. We are moving higher in the shape of diagonal movement, because each wave has only 3 waves in it, and because of this we might see deeper retracement in the fourth wave. And to project the levels where we might land, I have to pull Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top. And you can see that this asset is nearing to the golden pocket range. Statistically, the most probable level of trend reversal. On top of that, guys, we have a previous set of price actions, price activity from the 2021. And we have a huge range of potential support from $26.26 all the way up to pretty much current price, $33. That is why, guys, in my opinion, the trend reversal might happen within foreseeable future. And let me remind you that the retracement into the fourth wave usually should be in the shape of simple zigzag. And we have this movement as our A wave, B wave and C wave to the downside. And guys, C wave, according to Elliott wave theory, should have 5 waves in it. Let's count internal waves in this movement, and let me show you. Let's switch to daily time frame. And let me show you that we pretty much completed all waves to the downside. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the contender to be the bottom of the fifth wave. Yes, we might see an extension in the fifth wave because from this point of view, from daily time frame, I prefer to see another tiny leg to the downside, but in general this bottom might be a crucial level. From 33 all the way down to $27 might be the range of trend reversal for Chipotle for at least next several months. And guys, how high this asset might bounce in worst case scenario? To measure this bounce, we have to pull Fib retracement tool from this top to this bottom. You can see it right here, and we have at least $40 as the closest and the most conservative price target, which implies from our current price, wait a second, about 20% of upside potential. That is why, guys, be cautious, and if you want to invest in this asset for medium-term perspective or catch a bounce, you can cautiously accumulate your position with a price target of about $40 and with a stop loss slightly below 20, let's say $26.5. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.